Knox College defeated St. Jago High by 3-1 to win the ISSA Central Zone Girls Volleyball Final at Jose Marti in St. Catherine recently. Knox lost the first set 26-28, but they rallied to win the other sets and the match 25-16, 25-21 and 25-18. The Knox team captain and coach had contrasting views of the game, but both were in agreement that they recovered well to win the contest.
The last time we played, we didn't play a good match, to me. But this time, we came and we displayed our talents.
It wasn't a high-quality game, in my opinion, but nevertheless, we came and we did what we were supposed to do. There were times where we faltered, but we picked ourselves up and we won the game, as you see.
Byron Martin, the coach of St. Jago, said injuries to members of his team cost them the game.
Just that the girls lapsed on the court because they are supposed to be at the back, but the powers or the six back had a problem, and the setter she had an ankle problem, so it slowed down her movement. The bad thing about it is that we only have one setter, so if we had another setter we could put her in, so therefore that cost us the game, because for her to move and to play the ball it was difficult, and then the others were not playing their position as they should.
Meanwhile, the boys' final, also between St. Jago and Knox, was postponed due to the inclement weather.